Yo guys, what is going on?
Oh, sorry about that.
Yo guys, what is going on? In today's video, I'm quickly going to go over the basics of Snapchat ads and how we use Snapchat for retargeting. So without further ado, let's go. Alright guys, so to jump right into this, the first thing that you need to do in order to start this is obviously create a Snapchat ads account. You can do this in 2 seconds by going to the link below, just signing up. Once you sign up and have your account, the first and pretty much only step you're gonna have to do for now is set up your Snapchat pixel. If you're doing all kinds of volume right now in terms of traffic, then this is great because after you install your pixel and verify that's working correctly, you can then start retargeting ASAP. We currently don't have much experience with cold targeting as we've tried it real quick and it wasn't going well for us. And we've also heard many other people have issues with Snapchat cold targeting, but retargeting has always been great, and so we just stick with bottom of the funnel. In most cases, after a week or about 10 days of you having your Snapchat pixel installed, you can then start to run your Snapchat retargeting. The best way that we usually do this is we keep it super simple and either create our creatives inside of Snapchat or just on Canva because they have some really cool animations and just like nice things you can do. So make sure that you have your dimensions as a vertical kind of thing so that it fits Snapchat's dimensions, and you can pretty much start retargeting ASAP. And we just keep it simple, just like how we would on Facebook as well. And so we retarget anyone that has viewed content or active cart in the past 10 days, of course excluding purchase, and we show them one certain creative with a discount code, and then we show them one certain creative with no discount code for the 10-day period. Then we also have a view content active cart 90-day no purchase that we then run, and we set up a second ad set, and we'll have that 90-day audience excluding the 10-day audience, so therefore it stays completely warm. We don't want the people that are seeing our 10-day retargeting kind of segment to also see our 90-day until they're out of that first segment. So after the 10 days, if someone still has not bought, they get put into our next 90-day segment where they see a different ad with a discount code for 10% off, and usually that converts quite well. We usually set the budget somewhere around literally just $10 a day and just let it run on autopilot. Like we really don't pay too much attention to it as it's just like $10 a day for retargeting. It shouldn't really be like your best thing compared to Facebook. But still, it runs, it counts as extra revenue. But regardless, that's pretty much how you set it up. I feel like not many people have talked about Snapchat retargeting, so I'm glad I just kind of got on here and covered it. I'll drop a brief campaign overview just above the screen right here to kind of just highlight what you should do. You can feel free to kind of screenshot it and follow it step by step if that helps you. That's pretty much it for this video. I'm gonna wrap it up with just that. Hopefully you guys start trying Snapchat ASAP. Again, it's not gonna work the same for every single niche. If you sell camping stuff and you sell in the beauty niche, it's obviously Snapchat has a wider audience and custom audience range, all that stuff for a beauty audience, and it's probably gonna have higher relevance with that audience for beauty compared to hunting, a bunch of older men. But that's okay. No matter what niche you're in, you should always try as many platforms as possible. Twitter, Pinterest, TikTok, don't forget about TikTok, and all that stuff in between. Anyways, that's Snapchat, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.